what's up, Squids? Welcome back to the channel. My friends keep talking about this Honda Navi, so I said, you know what, let me go take a look at it. So I was doing a Google search and I happened to find two at a nearby dealership. So I'm headed over to go check them out right now. I'm not riding my bike because it needs an air filter, so I don't want to ride it around in this rain. Also need an air filter. So I hope you'll stick around, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay guys, we made it. Let's go in here and take a look at these bikes. Holy cow, after 20 minutes of horrible traffic and non-stop rain, we have finally made it. Special thanks to Scott Powersports Inc. of Coopersburg, PA for allowing me to come in and film this bike. Guys, if you're in the area, they do carry a wide variety of brands from Yamaha, Honda, Kawasaki, Suzuki, etc. Okay guys, let's go take a look at this bike. Alright, let's start with the engine. This bike has a 109cc air-cooled single-cylinder 4-stroke engine. Unfortunately, this bike does not come fuel-injected, but carbureted. The bike has a 0.9 gallon tank and boasts of a fuel economy of 110 miles per gallon. This bike has a redundant start system. It can be started electronically from the handle, or you can kick start it. This bike does not carry a manual transmission, but it's automatic V-matic belt driven. I complain a lot about Harley's selling you a $20,000 bike with 2 LEDs, but this bike carries no LEDs. But for $2,300, you can't complain about the LEDs. You can always buy aftermarket LEDs. This bike comes in 4 different colors: red, grasshopper green, nut brown, and ranger green. This dealership has 2 bikes in stock. Unfortunately, they're both the same color, ranger green. I'm not sure how this will relate to heavier riders, but this bike carries 1 shock in the rear, which is located on the left side over the drum brakes. Yes, you heard correct. This bike does not carry disc brakes, but rather drum brakes in the front and in the rear. This bike has a small storage space which can be locked, which is located just under the fuel tank. There is no digital dashboard offered with this bike, only analog, and a top speed of only 60 miles per hour. Now let's talk about seat height for shorter riders. This bike is 30.1 inches. I am 5'10" with a 32-inch inseam. You can see how I sit on the bike, and you can make a judgment from there. When I sit on the bike, I do have a slight bend in my knees. The bike weighs in at 236 pounds. This bike has a pillion and rear peg, so you can carry a passenger. Now let's talk about price. This bike has a base MSRP of $1,807, a final destination charge of $200, and a freight charge of $100. Depending on the dealership you go to, there may also be prep fees and dock fees. Like I said earlier in the video, $2,300. So this bike could run you a little above or below depending on the dealership you go to. So why are people even considering this bike? Well, for one, the price is reasonably priced at just under $2,300. And 2, with the fuel prices at an all-time high of just over $6, this bike offers a fuel economy of 110 miles per gallon. 3, if you don't live far from work, this bike will make an awesome commuter. 4, if you add baskets to the front and the back, it'll make a pretty nice grocery hauler. 5 is automatic, so the learning curve isn't as steep for beginners. Hey guys, if there's anything I missed out or failed to mention about this bike, please drop it in the comments so people who are interested in this bike will have some kind of idea. I appreciate you. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around. If you made it this far into the video, I want to thank you all for watching. Remember, keep your eyes on the swivel, keep the sticky side down, the shiny side up. And guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.